everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and please consider subscribing. And if you're my subscriber already, thank you so much for coming back again to watch my videos. It's a snowy, sleety day and I'm doing everything to keep warm today. We are experiencing bad weather and we have both snow and freezing rain today. Happy Sunday, everyone. We have winter storm here, and I thought I'd take this opportunity for a YouTube video. I haven't been able to make some videos, I think, since the beginning of the year. I took some time from YouTube to focus on resting and working, but I thank God I'm off today. And since it's snowing, this is the best time to just stay home and make my videos and also watch your videos, especially the people who have been supporting me. I always come back to support you also. I consider myself a team player, so even though I'm late to come to your channel to watch your videos, I will sure do that. If you work in healthcare, regardless of what part of the world you are right now, you know it is a difficult time. And here in the US, we are experiencing shortages in staffing that makes us work extra harder to keep things going. So if you work in healthcare right now, it goes without saying that things are tough. So without wasting a lot of time right now, let's talk about the 8 ways that we can boost our immunity systems, especially right now when our bodies have to fight the virus or viruses, and we have other diseases in our bodies and other psychological, emotional, and physical stresses around us. So my number one is going to be getting enough rest or sleeping enough. Our bodies recover when we are sleeping. That makes sleeping very, very important for our immunity. So whenever you are able to sleep, please do sleep enough, get enough rest, because when you sleep, you optimize your immunity. My number two is eating a well-balanced diet. And by a well-balanced diet, I mean your meal should have proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. So do everything to balance your meal, even if it means taking some vitamins and mineral supplements. That can help to boost your immunity, especially these times. My number three is exercise. Exercise is very important for your heart health, for your muscles, for your joints, for your lungs, among other body systems. Exercise at least 3 times a week for 30 minutes each time you're exercising. And remember, you do not have to go to the gym to pay money to exercise, or you do not need to buy new um, clothes for exercising. You can exercise in the clothes that you have. You can run outside, you can dance in your house, or you can just do any activity that helps your muscles to stretch and your joints to move. That can help boost your immunity and improve your overall health. Number four is going to be stress management. We all at some point experience stress, whether it's from our workplaces, from our family members, from our friends, from our surroundings. So do everything you can to keep stress at minimum. So never let stress overtake your health. Number five is hygiene. Hygiene and health go hand in hand. So do everything you can to keep yourself clean. Keep your home clean. If you live in a place with a good weather, open your windows so that you can allow fresh air to enter your house. Also, Keep your environment and your surroundings clean to reduce infections. If you live in a place which is high in humidity, or you're experiencing winter weather right now or very cold weather, keep your indoor air circulating by having your ceiling fan on, and also keep your indoor air at the right temperature to reduce mold formation and dampness in the house. Number 6 is giving your body the right chemicals. Whatever you're ingesting into your body or using could be destroying or building your health, whether it's pharmaceutical or herbal supplements. It could be alcohol, nicotine use, it could be street drugs. So make it a duty to do your own research and find out how whatever you're using is affecting your health, whether it's positively or negatively. If it's affecting your body negatively, that is something that you want to avoid or stop using. And if it's affecting your body in a positive way, then it's something that you want to continue to use so that you can strengthen your immunity system. Number 7 is maintaining the right body weight. Nothing comes so easy. So if you're underweight, you will need to work harder to increase your body weight so that you can have the right body mass index. Or if you are overweight, you have to work harder to cut down on your weight so that you can bring your body to the right body mass index. Last but not least is keeping yourself occupied. Keeping yourself busy or occupied can help boost your immunity. And one of the ways you can keep yourself busy is learning a new skill. You can participate in activities that you enjoy in your local community. You can participate in supporting your school in your local community or your church. You can do singing. Above all this, remember to connect with your Creator, who is the source of healing and an answer to every question that you might have. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.